Today we show EcoBrik from Samsara Materials, a cement-free, high-strength composite brick made from mixed plastic waste that aims to replace concrete for paving and cladding and is easier to work with on site. We will run practical head-to-head demos against regular concrete brick, and you will see clean cuts with a common blade, fast screw anchoring, and a real hanging load. Each segment starts with a quick slide so you know what to watch for. First up, the impact test. We will show brittle failure in a concrete brick and a tougher, energy-absorbing response from EcoBrik. Under the same strike setup, watch the crack pattern and how the damage spreads.
In the first test, we're going to do an impact demo using a sledgehammer to test the strength of two different types of bricks. To begin with, we'll start by smashing a standard concrete brick. Let's go ahead and start striking the concrete brick here now. Test on second concrete brick and see if it still breaks easily. This time it breaks into 5 pieces instead of 4 pieces. Now, we will move on to the EcoBrik for the next impact smash. It looks like the EcoBrik is still intact, so let's give it another shot. The EcoBrik still looks fine, so let's use full strength to test it as hard as possible. Slightly missed it. One last hit.
In the second test, we check EcoBrik cuttability with no special tools. We use a circular saw with a standard carpenter's blade. Watch the cut speed, the kerf quality, any edge crumble, and the dust behavior.
In this test, we will show you how easy it is to cut through EcoBrik. We don't need any special blades at all. Just a regular carpenter's blade is good enough, which makes life much easier for pavers and people doing construction work. We'll start now by pressing start on the saw, and it's going to be a bit noisy. Let's go. So you can see that it takes about 12 seconds to cut through it.
In the test 3, we show quick anchoring for guides or fixtures. We use a cordless driver and a common screw with no pre-drill. Watch for immediate bite, the torque feel, and resistance to spin out.
In this third test, we're going to drive a regular screw into the EcoBrik to show it's strong and rigid, but still easy to drill, with no special screws needed. We'll start the test now so you can see how smoothly it goes in. As you can see, it takes only about 3 to 4 seconds to drive a screw into the EcoBrik, and we're going to try one more time. First, I'll reset the clock, then we'll start. Ready, go. As you can see, it still takes merely 3 seconds to complete the whole step.
In the final test, we show a practical hanging load on a single screw anchor. The goal is to demonstrate meaningful holding strength for real fixtures and guides.
In this fourth test, what we're doing this time is putting a screw in halfway to show how strongly the EcoBrik can hold a very heavy load on the EcoBrik. As you can see, the scale is at 0, and we'll lift the weight to give you a clear idea of the load we're about to hang on the brick. All right, let's lift the bucket up and try to hold it still to check the reading. The weight scale display is showing more than 29 kilos. As you can see, we've driven a screw into the side of the EcoBrik, and now we're going to hang the same weight that was lifted earlier to show how solid the hold is. Now, let us start the weight lift now. I think the load is holding all right, and the screw is holding firmly.
These quick demos connect to daily site tasks. Full performance is verified by independent labs. High compressive and tensile strength, very low water absorption, freeze-thaw durability, extremely low leach results, low flame spread per relevant ASTM standard, and no significant toxic emissions during production. For process details, data, and roadmap, watch our other videos in this channel. To pilot or request specs, please visit samsaramaterials.com. Let us build together. Thank you.